Well, here's some stuff I get to work on around the yard. I get, as an A John Deere, a guy wants me to paint for him, and you can see it's got an air up tire on it, and it's been painted before. You can see all the paint peeling on it and stuff, and got to scrape a lot of grease and do some sandblasting, and it's got a custom step there somebody put on it, and yeah, kind of a neat old tractor. The thing ran good when he brought it over. He thinks the battery might be shot on it or something, but I don't know. I'll find out. You can see, like, this John Deere is like most of them. It's got a bunch of dents and stuff in the grill, and I got to fix that up for him. But yeah, and then another guy brought me this black Chevy over. It's a '69, I think, and it's kind of a winter project. I got to paint it. I don't know what he's got for a motor in there, but you can see that big exhaust sticking out of there. I'll see if I can scrunch down a little bit. Yeah, got a big old glass pack under there, and somebody put a custom bumper on it, and it's got things in pretty decent shape, not much rust. It's got some dents and stuff, but the guy wants me to, like I say, he wants me to fix it up. Brought me cab corners, that's what's in the box there. Cab corners and rocker panels for it. Nice wheels on it and stuff. Big exhaust. I haven't even opened the hood to see what it's got for a motor in there. But yeah, this white thing, I'll take a walk over there. This white Chevy pickup here, I finished this thing up, and I gotta get, that reminds me, I don't have the Chevy sticker for the box side yet. I gotta call that in and see when they're, yeah, it's, you know, I did this box side for the guy. Had a big dent right in front of the tail light there. He had a trailer come around. He had a gooseneck. It's got a gooseneck trailer he pulls behind it, and that came around, put a big dent in the side of the box. And then I had some scrapes further up, and that was from going in the garage, and he hit the garage door going in and scraped that up. But nice truck. It's like I say, it's got the gooseneck in there, or fifth wheel, I guess you call it, in the floor there. And yeah, I should clean off that back bumper a little. It's all full of Bondo dust. But yeah, I just remembered I didn't put the sticker back on. See, it's the 4x4 sticker is not on there, and it's on this side, and that's why I better get on the ball and get going on that. So, but anyway, that's about it for now. So.